Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuhu. My name is Siri Haya Alimpang Usman, here sa Bangsa. So I am joining this pageant not just a representation of my tribe. It is more than that. It is because I want to show to all Davaoeños and the Mindanao rather, that the 11 tribe ethno-linguistic is through this pageant is strengthening in order for us to showcase it is since it is approved that Davaoeños has a lively culture as well as the united community. But aside from that, also I joined this pageant. It's because I want to erase or like change the misconception of the Bangsa Iranun. Since started pageant, the Iranun has not been placed. So basically, we're not being seen as something very competitive or like capable of this pageant. But now I want to show you to everyone that we Iranun women are capable also in serving and showing also showcasing our culture. We are also have a beautiful and bountiful culture, and I hope that you will appreciate it. Thank you.
Of course, if given that you'll be the successor of City Lord Hanis Sangkay, what's the advocacy you will share, not just for Bangsa Iranon, but also for the 11 ethno-linguistic tribes of Davao City?
Okay, thank you so much. So basically, thank you so much. By the way, if I would given a chance to win this pageant and also serve the cultural community, I have this project proposal or advocacy project Pusaka, reviving roots, inspiring generation. Pusaka means heritage or pamana. The reason is I have been witness that the young generation is something lost in when it comes to their culture. The younger generation is now disconnected or being unfamiliar in their own identity, and I want to revive the roots as I believe that it will be a strong foundation for the younger generation. I want them, kay kadalasan manggudron kay kanang we don't normalize the culture. That is why bully is a very rampant as of this generation. It's because some younger generation identify or like see the differences of culture as something bad or in a negative way, when in fact because of our cultural differences, it does not divide us, but rather it is one of the way why it is strengthened the people, the relationship of the people is strengthened. So my advocacy is something about the roots. I want the younger generation to expose them, kumbaga ma-normalize nila na it's not something new. This is our identity. Kailangan nilang matry yung mga dati na mga dula, kung ano yung mga activities. Also, the elder will serve as library speaker. The reason why is kaya hindi expose ang mga bata sa culture natin because of modernization. And for me, it is not a negative. Instead, we should use it as a tool. For example, the digital. We should use it as a tool for them to expose and revive, so that the younger generation can be proud for who they are, for their identity. Because I believe that when we have our culture, it's not something that we simply inherent, but we are obliged to seek knowledge of our own identity, and also it is our responsibility to preserve it.